Hello, this is another short AndroBar video, and this time we're going to be talking about the spout or the pour, how it's inserted in the bottle, how it's removed from the bottle, and the three parts that make up the pour, and the importance of how specifically the tube and valve part of the spout are properly inserted into the spout for proper functioning. So here we have a bottle with a spout in it. And as you can see, there's the spout, there's the cork, and there's the tube and valve at the bottom. This is correctly installed. Most people, when they remove the spout from an empty bottle, they tend to jiggle it back and forth. And what that causes sometimes is that the tube and valve will fall out of the bottle. It'll fall outside of the spout. In other words, this is loose. If it's too loose and you're wiggling it back and forth like this, as you can see, it falls in the bottle, and now you have a spout without a tube and valve. Do not insert a spout without a tube and valve into a bottle for use. If you do that, what will happen is that without the tube and valve in place, when you turn the bottle over, it will pour. Liquid will come out of the air hole, which is this little slit at the bottom of the base here. The reason that will happen is because the tube and valve is no longer in there, and you will get leak, and you will also get pouring that will not be consistent. It will pour more than what it normally should pour. So it's very important that your tube and your spout are inserted properly. Now, inside the spout, there are two holes. I will show you with a spout that a little bit easier to see. If you look at this spout right here, you will notice that there is a hole. If you can zoom in a bit here, there we go. You can see the hole. There's a small hole and a large hole. The hole that we want to put the tube and valve in is the little hole. So I'm going to put the tube in now, and you can see this is the hole that it goes into. Okay. I removed the cork so you can see how that fits. Very important that you do not put the tube and valve into the larger hole. If you put it into the larger hole, the pour will, again, it will leak. So very important. So once you have your tube and valve in place, that's what it looks like. It's in the hole proper. We go back to our bottle, we push it in, and that's it. Very simple. We put our heat shrink on top, and we're done. When you're removing a spout from an empty bottle, don't wiggle it back and forth. Just unscrew it, and it comes right off. All right? That's it for today. Thank you again for tuning in to AndroBar Tech Support.